Okay, let's go. We're getting creative today. California burrito just for you. I'm gonna show you step by step. California burrito. Let's do it step by step. Follow me. So every good burrito starts with a nice piece of meat. I'm using here skirt, inside skirt. I'm gonna cut it alongside like that. So I'm gonna roll it here so make it easier and an even cut. So you could use any type of flank steak or something, but I like this inside skirt instead of the flank because I think it's a little bit more tender. So we're gonna cut it in strips like that because for a burrito you don't need that much. So we're gonna use a little chunk of that. We're gonna put it here on the griddle and we're gonna cook this about 1 or 2 minutes on each side initially. Remember to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share with your friends and family. You can listen to that griddle sizzling there on my steak. Oh, inside skirt. We're gonna flip this over and we're gonna give it another minute on this side as well. And that's gonna be the first part of it. Because this is for burrito, we're gonna cut it in little pieces. If this was for a steak, you can just leave it like that. And right now it's about medium pretty much right now. So depending on how you like it, but for burrito I like it medium well to well done, and you'll see this is gonna still be juicy as you could ever imagine. So we're gonna take it out of there and we're gonna cut this 45 degrees against the grain. About 45 degrees against the grains to make it even more tender. So I'm gonna cut it here just like that in little thin strips. I'm cutting here my inside skirt steak and little chunks like that. You can tell that it's medium well, and that's so good and tender right now. I just want to eat it now, but I gotta wait because this is for a burrito. I'm gonna put it back on the griddle just to finish cooking a little bit more because that is my liking. You can do whatever you want with it. I like it a little bit more cooked for a burrito. I'm not eating a steak here. If it was a steak, I would just leave it like that. But because it's a burrito, I'm gonna cook it a little bit more in the griddle, another minute or two, and that will be it. This is ready. Again, depending on your liking, you can leave it like that or you can cook it well done all the way down. In the meantime, I'm gonna start making my guacamole here, my guac for the burrito. So I have avocado here, whole avocado, 1 avocado, half a lime. I got tomato, I have onions and cilantro and salt and pepper. And I'm gonna mix it all together. So the avocado, I'm gonna cut it in squares just like that. This is the avocado, 1 full avocado here. And I'm gonna smash this a little bit. I like a little bit of texture, so I don't want it all smashed. I like some big chunks in there as well. Not super big, but I like a little bit of chunky kind of type of guacamole. I'm gonna add at this point my tomato here, about half a tomato there. I'm gonna add like 2 slices of white onion and cilantro, about half a cup of cilantro here. Or you can use parsley if you like, but listen, cilantro is the way to go. Half a lime here, I'm gonna squeeze half a lime, the juice of half of a lime on top of it all. I'm using this squeezer because it's a lot easier. Hint, super easy with that. And a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. If you like it salty, you can put more. If you don't like any salt and pepper, you can just leave it like that. So this is gonna be depending on your taste. So we're gonna mix this very well here without making a puree out of it. So I'm just gonna mix this, taking it upside down a few times to make sure everything is incorporated. But I like I said, a little bit of texture in my guacamole. So this is ready. I'm gonna put it aside and let's go to the French fries. So I'm gonna use the air fryer here to put a few French fries because this is a burrito. You don't need a lot of them, but the California burrito requires French fries. That is a traditional California burrito. These French fries are ready. There you go. Beautiful. I'm gonna start putting this together with one of those 12 inches flour tortillas. 12 inches. You gotta use the big one, the jumbo. 12 inches tortilla. I'm gonna put that shredded cheese Mexican blend on the bottom. Then I'm gonna add the meat here. You can tell this is to my liking, medium well. And on top of the meat, I'm gonna add the avocado as much as you want. I did a single portion here, but it's still a lot of avocado. So cheese, meat, avocado, and then on top of that, we're gonna put the French fries that I just did in the air fryer with no oil, zero oil. Look at how beautiful that looks. That is the essence of the California burrito, but we're gonna put more cheese on top of it. More shredded cheese, Mexican blend, shredded cheese, and I'm gonna use my garlic sauce here. You can look for that video in my channel. Garlic sauce homemade. Ooh, that thing goes with everything. I'm gonna roll this burrito here real good here, trying not to break it up. This is kind of a bulky burrito, so you're gonna roll it up tight and try not to break the tortilla. You're gonna do a little trick here, and there you have it. Beautiful, beautiful California burrito. So I'm gonna transfer this to a cutting board here, and we are going to cut this in half, and I'll show you how those inside look in the California burrito. Homemade, baby, better than a food truck, because these are your ingredients, your hands, and you know everything is clean and beautiful in your house. There you have it, California burrito. Look at how beautiful that looks. It's so beautiful. I'm gonna give you another view, sideways. Here we go, California burrito again. Look at that. Don't tell me that doesn't make you hungry, because it does make me hungry. California burrito, homemade, the best California burrito you ever tasted, because you did it yourself and we did it step by step. Follow me, subscribe to my channel, share with your friends and family, and I'll see you next time. Now we need to taste this. And like I will always do, we have to give it a taste. Yep, let's give it a taste. California burrito just for you. And we did it step by step. Wow. I feel like I'm in California, one of those food trucks. This is very good. If you want to try something from my channel, try this one, baby.